The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has reinstated 25 diplomats out of 40 who were dismissed from office 3 years ago. A public circular issued by the ministry's Director General of Administration and Finance, Ambassador Samuel Luate Laminsic, confirmed their reinstatement. The diplomats were dismissed in May 2019 over absenteeism from work. They were said to have violated the South Sudan Diplomats and Consular Service Act of 2011 Section 37F, which states that absence from work for consecutive 45 days without permission shall be considered a resignation. The consuls were recalled 2 months after the ministry resolved to review the conditions which led to the dismissal of each of those diplomats. In June, the ministry requested the dismissed ambassadors to submit appeals for their reinstatement. In circular issued yesterday, the ministry called on those reinstated to report to the ministry within 21 days from the date of the announcement. It sets 29th of August 2022 as the deadline for reporting. However, the circular has not explained why the 15 others have not been reinstated. It only stated that those reinstated should report to work within 3 weeks. The notice further warned that in the case of failure to do so, the staff in question shall be considered to have withdrawn the appeal and shall not be considered for any other opportunity.